For past couple of weeks, Microsoft Editor in Edge has an ongoing issue with spellcheck where it is no longer offering suggestions for the misspelled words. Editor does convey the word needs a correction by highlighting it with the red line, but no suggestions are offered as such. Going by the reports, even basic troubleshooting measures like clearing out cache and cookies has been of no use. What's good is that one of the Microsoft agents has shared that this is seemingly a widespread problem, while another one conveyed it may have to do with adjusting some of the settings. The moderator went ahead sharing basic troubleshooting steps for users to try out, as can be seen on the screen. The affected users in the meantime have shared that switching the settings to basic instead of Microsoft Editor or turning it off does the trick as spellcheck starts working again. The setting in question can be seen on the screen right now. That's not all. Another glitch troubling Microsoft Edge users is the disappearance of the share button from the menu after a recent update. Responding to the queries, one of the community agents has shared basic troubleshooting steps like disabling extensions, clearing out cache and cookies, giving a quick reset to settings, and checking for updates, etc. You can give these workarounds a try and see if the problem gets resolved for you. Drop a comment to let us know how it goes.